Thank you for tuning in to the fourth video update of the Jonesport Beals Bridge project. In this video, I'll be focusing on the construction taking place on the Beals side of the bridge, as well as showing the overall progress so far. This week, the second set of beams will arrive, and I have another video covering that, which will include the setting of the beams, so be sure you're subscribed to my channel so you don't miss any updates. Here you'll see Thomas DeCenzo Incorporated working on the bridge approach on the Beals side of the bridge. The crew will be digging down a total of 14 feet as they install the retaining walls. As they start digging, they will go side to side, so the drop-off on each lane is never greater than 2.5 feet. So today, you'll see them digging down 2.5 feet on the west side of the bridge, and then they will switch and remove 5 feet from the east side before returning to the west side to remove another 5 feet and continuing in that pattern until finished. Once down the 14 feet, the 10 to 11 foot precast retaining walls will be brought in and installed. Once installed, the height of the road will be brought back up some, and you'll be able to see about 9 inches of the retaining wall, with the guardrail being above it. On the outer side of the bridge, you'll be able to see about 4 feet of the retaining wall. The retaining wall will be 175 feet on the west side, which will be approximately to the telephone pole where the stop sign used to be. On the east side, the retaining wall will start about 110 feet off of the bridge abutment and will extend 125 feet parallel to approximately where Dale Smith's Wharf begins. I spoke to Bill Delmonico, owner of Thomas DeCenzo Incorporated, who you see operating the excavator here. He asked that everyone please drive carefully as the road will be narrow for about a month. The vertical post-like structures you see here are called bumps and stops. These are installed temporarily to help guide the beams into place. The 16 beams have been installed since the last video when you saw them arrive from Virginia. The second and final set of beams will arrive tomorrow and will be placed on the pier caps later this week. The beams you see here are about 4 feet across the top and have a slightly more narrow base at 2.5 feet. The beams are approximately 6 feet high. During the construction process, a walkway was built below the old bridge. In order to keep boat traffic flowing, there is a gap between the centermost piers so boats can pass through, as you are seeing here. like to thank CPM and Thomas DeCenzo Incorporated for their continued support with this project. I'd like to give a special thank you to Jim Weston of the New England Drone Works LLC for providing the aerial footage you have seen in this video. More information on how you can contact New England Drone Works for your own footage is located in the description below. Thank you for watching. To continue to see these videos, please take a moment to subscribe to my channel, A Libby Life. Subscribing and liking my videos is the best way you can show support for this project. Thank you.